Hello students, today I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 10.1. Now question number 3 says, let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. Choose any other point R on M. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So step by step we'll be doing this construction. At first we need to take a line, and since measurement is not given, so we can take any measurement, okay? Suppose this is line L. Now P be a point not on L. So let's take P over here. So this P is a point which is not on this line. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. So through P we will have to draw parallel line M. We'll draw a line M which is parallel to L. Okay. So for this we need to take the transversal line, because we know that if there is two line, okay, and one transversal cut these two line, then alternate interiors and alternate interior angles are equal, and if these two are equal, then we can say that lines are parallel, right? So at first we need to take a transversal line. Suppose from P we'll take any line segment to L. Let's meet this line segment at point A. Okay, this is point A. Now we will have to take the angle. For this we'll just open up the compass, okay, and from A point we'll just take any measurement. From A point we will have to draw an arc. Okay, with the same measurement from P point, since we will have to draw a line M which will pass through the point P, that's why we'll put the needle of the compass at P point and we'll draw an arc like this. Now suppose this arc meet at point B and on the transversal at point C, and this is another arc which got the transversal at point D. Now we'll just take this measurement. We'll just take the length of BC arc. Okay, we'll just take this length, and from D point we'll have to cut it. Okay, we have just taken the length of BC. Okay, and from D point we have cut it. Suppose this is point E. Okay, now we'll join E and P to get the line M parallel to L. Okay, so and we will draw in such a way, we will just join these 2 points in such a way that we will get the line parallel to L, and the line will pass through the point P. Okay, so we'll join these two. So this is line M which is parallel to L. Now next step is we will have to join P to any point Q on L. So we will have to take any point Q on L. Okay, now we will have to join PQ. Suppose this is the line PQ. Okay, now through R we will have to take other point R on M. Suppose this is point R on line M. Now through R we will have to draw a line parallel to PQ. Okay, so for this, see, if there is two lines and a transversal cut these two lines, then corresponding angles are equal. Now corresponding angle means the angles which is at the same position, same side. Like here, these two angles are on the same side, right hand side, and on the same position means upper side of this parallel line, right? So these are corresponding angles. So if these two corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So at first we'll be drawing corresponding angle, and for this we'll just take an arc. See, we have taken any measurement. Now from P point, see, we will have to draw the parallel line which will pass through the point R. Okay, so we'll take these and these 2 points. So at first we'll take P angle to draw the arc. Okay, now with the same measurement from R point, okay, since we will have to draw the line which will pass through the point R, so from R point we will have to draw another arc. Okay, suppose this meets at point F, and this is G, and this is H. Now what we are going to do is, we'll just take this point. This is point H, okay, this is point H. We'll just take this length, as you know that to get the angles equal measurement, we will have to take the length of the arc, and then we will have to cut this in the previous arc. On this previous arc, if you cut, then see, this is say point I. Now when you join this I, then you will get the parallel line which is, you'll get the line which is parallel to PQ. Okay, so we'll join R and I. So this is the line which have passed through the point R. Okay, and draw a line parallel to PQ and let this meet L at point S. So suppose this is point S. So this the line RS is parallel to PQ. Now, what shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So this is parallel. Here L line is parallel to M line, which we have done before, right? And now what we have done, we have just shown that these two are parallel, because since these two are corresponding angles and since these two are equal, so these two lines are parallel. So PQ line means this line and this line is parallel. PQ parallel to RS. Now since these and these are parallel and these are parallel, so PQRS is a parallelogram since opposite sides are parallel. So we'll write PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. So this was question number 3. Thank you, students.